Hey guys, here we are again on Rob Dog's Vlogs. We've got little Siri girl down here. Today we're going to show you guys how to make a coffee out of the dandelion plant. A lot of people consider these a weed, but you can make honey out of the flowers, you can make coffee out of the roots, and you can make salad out of the leaves. But today we're just going to make coffee because it's winter time and the plants aren't the biggest, so see if we can make some coffee out of the dandelion plant. Let's go. In case you haven't heard, this is my little friend Ciri. She comes with me everywhere. Hey Ciri girl. Yeah, you come with Dad everywhere, don't you? Yes. Oh look, there's my dad. Hey! As I was saying, so we're doing something different today. I'm going to teach you guys how to make coffee / tea out of the dandelion root. Hey Ciri. Come here. Come here girl. Come here. Off the plant. You're standing on, she's sitting on the plant. So in the spring / summertime, obviously we're looking for a yellow flower because they're all over the grass. But in wintertime, you don't often see the flower unless it's like cranking in the sun right in a good spot. So that stalk there, that is a dandelion plant. It hasn't got the flowers on it at the moment. See the leaves down here? That's also edible. You can put them in salads as well, but that's the dandelion plant. So we're going to go to the park down there and we'll see if we can get some. I think I can see a couple yellow flowers down here. Let's have a geezer. I'm going to let Siri off because she's running a mark. Go on have a run around. Go on girl, go have some fun. Daddy's be right here. I've brought a little screwdriver to help me get the roots up. So these plants, they're not the biggest ones, right? We're gonna have to get a couple to get some coffee, but I just want to show you guys because, you know, we put milk and sugar in our coffees every day and we eat a lot of coffee, you know. I'm trying to get down beneath the root so I don't break it. So they're not the biggest of plants, so we're gonna have to get a few as it is winter time and they aren't cranking the most. All right. So that is the dandelion plant right there. As I said, you can make honey out of these flowers, but today I'm after the root. All right, so you see these roots down here. What we've got to do is we've got to clean them all up, chop them off, dry them in the oven, and then we grind them, and that's how you make coffee. But I will show you the whole process. All right, that's the first plant. All right, plant number 2. There you go, that's a bit better. I mean, it looks kind of gross, doesn't it? But it tastes beautiful. I've done it before and I've made coffee out of this plant. Oh, I found a bit of a bigger one here. Hopefully we can get a big root off this one. So here's that bigger one I was talking about. Hasn't got any developed flowers on it yet, but let's see how big the root is on this one. See how the root's a bit bigger on that one? That's usually the size I get. All right, so we've harvested our dandelion. I'm gonna take it back home now, give it a wash, dry it up, and then we'll make a coffee out of it. But just so you guys are aware, this is the dandelion root here. It's a good source of vitamins and it includes vitamin A, C, and K, as well as calcium, potassium, and iron. And apparently has little bits of vitamin B too, so it's good shit. So let's go make some coffee, let's go. Alrighty, so we have our washed dandelion root. So I'm going to let it dry in the sun for a bit just to get all the water off it, and then we'll put it in the oven and make some coffee. So here's our dandelion root. Now we wait. Get amongst. We're checking it again. We're starting to get them aromas. Just a little bit more. The small ones are like dry, but the bigger ones are a little bit more moisture in the middle. What does a wombat do? Eats roots and leaves. Well, it should bloody be ready by now. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. We should get in there. Just like that, we got some dandelion coffee. Phew. So I asked my dad if he wanted to try some dandelion coffee, and he looked at me like, why would I want to try that crap? And he's had a whiff of it now, and he's like, wow, it really smells like coffee. All right, we've got a spoon and a half in each cup. I'll just put a little bit of cold water with it.
What are you putting cold water in it for?
To make it not so you can drink it.
Cool it down.
I'll be honest, like I haven't had it in like 2 years, but I remember it being nice.
It smells like coffee.
What's that?
Smells like coffee, yeah.
What do you think of that?
And cut!
You're the worst cameraman in the world.
Action!
Alright. No sugar, no milk, just a bit of cold water so it's drinkable. And that, my friends, is how you make some dandelion coffee. Get amongst.